Greetings friends, and welcome back to my garden. Today I'm in Salzburg, Austria at the Mirabell Palace and Gardens. They're located between the old city and the new city. The name Mirabell is a combination of two Latin words, mirabella, which means admirable, and bella, meaning beautiful. And they are admirably beautiful. In fact, they've been declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The baroque palace and gardens were built in the early 1600s as a residence. The garden was laid out to take advantage of this beautiful view, and I'm going to show it to you here. It shows the Salzburger Dome and the Hohensalzburg Fortress up on the hill in the background. The fortress is on a hill that overlooks the river Salzach. It's part of the old city. The palace's most famous room is called the Marble Hall. It was built as a ballroom and a concert hall, and today it's used as a very popular venue for weddings. In its time, Mozart, who was born here in Salzburg, played his music there very often. The garden was developed and redeveloped over and over during the centuries. Its main feature is this central fountain and reflecting pool, which is surrounded by 4 statues representing the elements of earth, air, fire, and water. There's also a rose garden, which I'm going to show you. Let's take a little walk. The gardens have many areas. One is a hedge garden, and it's used in the summer for outdoor concerts. Part of the Salzburg Music Festival is held outside in the hedge garden. There's also a dwarf garden. Dwarfs were very popular during palace times. And the garden has a number of, well, rather grotesque statues of dwarfs. I'm going to cut across the grass. Don't tell anyone, please. Ah, here's the rose garden. And now I'd like to show you a very famous location. And that is a fountain called the Pegasus Fountain. It was installed in the early 1900s. It's just around the corner here. There it is. This is the fountain that Maria and the Von Trapp children danced around while they were singing Do, Re, Mi. Yes, part of The Sound of Music was filmed here in the Mirabell Gardens. A really good time to visit the gardens is in the early morning when there's hardly anyone here. But the greatest time to visit the gardens is any time. Thank you, friends, for stopping by. Have a lovely day.